choosing the right piping material in your corrosive applications? At Ferguson Industrial, our unbiased expertise gives you confidence that you have the best solution for your systems every time. With virtually every industrial thermoplastic piping system in our product portfolio and the knowledge to optimize their use, we help engineers, owners, and installing contractors resolve their unique situation. For the engineer, that means confidence that you're providing a lower life cycle cost of ownership to your client. For the owner, systems that last longer and require less maintenance and downtime. And for the installing contractor, lighter materials for faster installations. And we'll do more than help you select the right product from our extensive offering of industrial thermoplastics, valves, and metallic options. We'll help you configure, fabricate, and deliver it wherever you are. Our specialized associates can assist you through the installation process to maximize the success of the system. We can support your needs with the wide range of equipment available in our rental fleet and the relevant training necessary to get the job done. Visit us online to see why customers nationwide partner with us for turnkey thermoplastic piping solutions.